This is my first question for scientific notation. Okay, addition for scientific notation questions. So 1.56 into 10 raised power 8 plus 2.7 into 10 raised to power 6. Okay, for this question there's two powers. Okay, 10 raised power 8 and 10 raised to power 6. You can convert 10 raised power 8 into 10 raised power 6 or 10 raised power 6 into 10 raised power 8, your choice. Okay, so I will convert this 10 raised power 6 into 10 raised power 8 in order for taking common. Okay, so equal 1.56 into 10 raised power 8 plus 2.7 into 10 raised power 6. In order to convert 10 raised power 6 to 10 raised power 8, you have to multiply and divide by 10 square. Okay, 10 raised to power 2 because 6 plus 2 becomes 8. Okay, so this is the same 2.7 into 10 raised to power 6 plus 2. Okay, and the 10 square is here, it becomes 100. Okay, and 1.56, this is the same, plus 10 raised to power 6 plus 2 is 10 raised to power 8. Okay, now 2.7 divided by 100. What to do? Okay, this is 7, this is 2. There are two numbers. Okay, and then after the decimal, how many numbers are there? 1. After this decimal, there's one number, and there are two zeros. Okay, two zeros here. So if you take these two zeros up, what happens? 1 decimal plus 2 zero becomes 3 places of decimal. Okay, first of all you write 7 and then you write 2, but how many decimal places are there? 1 decimal place plus these two zeros become 3 decimal places. So 1 7 2 is 2, but there's no other number, so we write 0 and then point. Okay, 0.027. 3 decimal places. After decimal, 1 place decimal plus 2 zeros become 3. Okay, so 1 2 3, 3 decimal places and then decimal. Okay, so take common 10 raised power 8. 10 raised power 8, 1.56 plus 0.027. Here it is. 1.56 can be written as 1.560. Okay, 0.027. 0.7, 7, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 0, 5, 1 plus 0, this is decimal here, 1 plus 0, 1. So the answer is 1.587 into 10 raised power 8. Okay. This question number 2 is similar to number 1, but in this question I'll convert the bigger power, this power into the smaller power. Okay, so 10 raised power 6, this is 10 raised power 4. I'll convert this also into 10 raised to the power 4. Okay, so what to do? 10 raised power 4 and then 6, 10 raised power 2 becomes 10 raised power 6. Okay, remember, if it is 10 raised power, let's say 10 raised power 6 equal 10 raised power 4 into 10 raised power 2, or equal 10 raised power 2 into 10 raised power 2 into 10 raised power 2, or 10 6 times 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. Okay, so 4 plus 2 becomes 6. Okay, 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. So I use 4 here and then 2 because in order to take common 10 power 4. Suppose if it is 10 power 3 here, I'll take common 10 raised power 3 and then 10 raised power 3. Okay, in order to take common. So now you take common 10 raised power 4. What do you get? What's left here? 2.36 into 10 square. 2.36 into 10 square. Plus, you have taken common 10 raised to power 4. What is left? 2.5. Okay, so what is left here? 2.5. 2.36 into 10 square plus 2.5. Okay, so now take common. You've taken common 10 over 4. Now 2.36 into 10 square is 100. Okay, when you do the steps accordingly one by one. Later on, when you are able to do more, you can skip the steps which are too simple for you. Okay, so 2.36 into 100 plus 2.5. Now 10 to the power 4, 2.36, you can multiply it directly to get, after 2 decimal become 2 zeros, cancel. But it's easier to remove this decimal first and then cancel. Okay, 236. 236. After the decimal, how many numbers are there? After the decimal, 2 decimal places. Okay, 2 places. So you bring down here 2 0 and then 1. Okay, you bring down here 2 0 and then 1, and then 100 and 100 cancel. So what is left? 2 3 6. Okay, 2 3 6. Remember, 2 decimal places, 2 0. If there are 3 decimal places, 3 zeros. Suppose here it becomes 25 divided by 10. 1 decimal place become 10. Okay, but this are left, leave it as it is. Okay, so 100 and 100 and cancel. So what is left? 236 plus 2.5. Okay, sorry, 236 and 2.5. So 236 and 2.5. So 236 can be written as 236.0. Okay, and then 2 and then 0.5 in order to add. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 and then 2. So what's the value? 238.5 into 10 raised power 4. Now we have to convert this number into, we have to bring this decimal to the beginning, okay, to here. What do we do? Now this decimal is here. If we have to bring this decimal here, 2.385, that means between 2 and this decimal there are 2 places. This is decimal here, and if you put decimal here, it means between this 2 and this decimal there are 2 places, because you have to put decimal here, isn't it? So between here and here there are 2 places, so 2 zeros. That means 10 raised power 2. Okay, 2.385 into 10 raised power 2 and then 10 raised to power 4. So the answer will be 2.385 into 10 raised power 6. Okay, suppose if it is, let's say, 4.4789.5 into 10 raised power 2. So if you bring this decimal here, what do you get? 4.7895 into 10 raised to power. This decimal and this number, how many numbers are there between this decimal and this 4? This first number, 3. So 10 raised to power 3 into 10 square equal 4.7895 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, remember, between this point and this first number, 3 numbers, so 3 zeros, 10 to the power 3. If there are 4 numbers, 10 to the power 4. If there are 5 numbers, 10 to the power 5, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is my first 2 questions regarding the scientific notation questions. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe and support my channel.